We need to find the point B if C divides the line joining A and B externally in the ratio 3:4. Let us begin. So here we have, let's say, a point A. So A has the coordinates 2, 5. Then we have another point B. Now we need to determine the coordinates of point B. So we're going to assume that the coordinates are x, y. Now let's join point A and point B with a straight line such that we get the line segment AB. Now it's given here that we have another point C. So C is actually dividing AB externally in the ratio 3:4. So that means here we have C dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. So this is how we can divide it. So here AC, that's going to be 3, and BC, that's going to be 4. Now C has the coordinates given by -1, 2. Now what we can do, we can apply the external section formula to obtain the value of B. How do we do that? So let's start with the coordinate of point C. So that's given us -1, 2. Now what we can do, although it is given to us, but we can still define the coordinate of point C using the external section formula. All we have to do is take 3 and multiply it with B, and 4 will get multiplied to A, meaning to define the x coordinate, we'll take 3 and multiply it with the x coordinate of B. So since it is x, we get 3x. Then we have to do subtraction because we are doing external section formula. Now we will take 4 and multiply with the x coordinate of A. So 4 times 2, that's going to be 8. So we have 3x minus 8 divided by the difference of the ratios. So we have 3 minus 4 in the denominator. Now coming to the y coordinate, so we'll take 3 and multiply it with the y coordinate of B. So that's simply y. So we have 3y minus, we have 4 times the y coordinate of A. So that's going to be 5. So 4 times 5, that's 20. So we have 3y minus 20 divided by 3 minus 4. Fine. So let's further simplify this. So coordinate of C now becomes 3x minus 8 divided by 3 minus 4. So that's -1. So that means we are dividing by -1, or simply we can say we get 8 minus 3x. Fine. And the y coordinate will be 20 minus 3y. So this is what is we have obtained. Now what we can do, we can equate. This is going to give us 8 minus 3x. So this will be equals to -1, which means we have 3x equals to 9. Solving for x, we get x equals to 3. And then we will equate 20 minus 3y with +2. So we get 3y. That will be equals to 20 minus 2. That's going to be 18. So y comes out to be 6. So that means the value of x, y. So we have obtained that x value corresponds to 3 and y corresponds to 6. So this is going to be the coordinate of point B, 3, 6. And option A, that's going to be the correct answer.